In this video, I will show you how to check and top up the engine oil in a Kia Sportage the right way. First, park your vehicle on a flat, level surface. This way the dipstick will give you an accurate oil level reading. Start the engine and let it idle for a few minutes until it warms up to normal operating temperature. This helps the oil circulate fully throughout the engine. Once it's warmed up, shut the engine off and wait about 5 minutes. That short wait allows the oil to settle back into the oil pan so you can measure it correctly. Now open the hood and pull out the dipstick. Wipe it clean and insert it back all the way before pulling it out again. Check the markings carefully. The oil level should sit between the low and full marks. If it's sitting low, take off the oil filler cap and add a little fresh oil at a time using a funnel. After each small top-up, recheck the dipstick until the level is close to the full mark. Make sure not to go past the full line, since overfilling can cause problems as well. Once the oil level is correct, tighten the filler cap back on. Clean up any spills and close the hood. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to WeJoin for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.